Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to add a subtask on Asana. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your Chrome, Safari, or any web browser that you want, and then proceed to app.asana.com. Once you're here, simply sign in using your Google or your Gmail account, and then proceed to your project. For example, I will choose work request, go to list, and then look for the task that you want. For example, I will choose this one and click on it. Scroll down and look for the add subtask option. So click on add subtask, and then now you may type in the subtask that you want, and then that's it. That's how you can add a subtask on Asana. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.